Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about question number 11 of exercise 7.2. In this question, it is given to you Jitin is 30-year-old. It means this is the present age of Jitin. Now, Sitin is 6-year-old. This is the present age of Sitin. Now, after how many years Jitin be thrice the age of Sitin? In question, asking about after how many years the age of Jitin be thrice the age of Sitin. Clear? Now, first we will consider let after X year the age of Jitin be thrice the age of Sitin. Clear? Because in question is asking after how many years. So we will consider after X year the age of Jitin be thrice the age of Sitin. Clear? Now we will find the ages of Jitin and Sitin after X year. For example, present age of Jitin is 7. So after 2 year the age of Jitin is 7 plus 2. Similarly, age of Sitin is 6 and after 2 year 6 plus 2. So on the basis of this concept, we are going to write the statement like this. After X year, Jitin's age is 30 plus X. Why 30 plus X? Because after X year. So after X year, if your age is 2 year, so after 3 year, your age will be 5. 2 plus 3. Similarly, after X year, Jitin's age is 30 plus X years. And after X year, Sitin's age is 6 plus X. Why 6 plus X? Because present age of Sitin is 6 year. Clear? Now, according to question, after X year, in this question given to you, Jitin be thrice. Remember it, this is important point. Jitin is thrice. So after X year, Jitin's age equal 3 thrice. Thrice means 3 multiplied by Sitin's age. Clear? Because Jitin be thrice the age of Sitin. That's why I'm writing Jitin's age equal 3 multiply Sitin's age. Now put the value of Jitin's age and Sitin's age. Jitin is 30 plus X equal 3 multiply by Sitin is 6 plus X. Okay. Now open the bracket 30 plus X. Here distributive property will here 3 multiply 6, 3 6 are 18. Similarly 3 multiply X, 3X. Now what is the next step? In next step, variables on left hand side and constants on right hand side. So X minus 3X equal, this is 18 is already here, minus 30. Okay. Now X minus 3X is minus 2X. 18 minus 30, because negative number this is, that's why minus 12. Now you can see minus 2 minus cancelled. Okay. See, x equal 12 divided by 2, because this 2 is in multiply. Now they both are divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2 and 2 6 are 18. So the value of x is 6. Clear? Now what we had considered, see, after x year, this is the considerable. After x year, that's why the value of x is 6. So we will write after 6 year, Jitin be thrice the age of Sitin. Clear? Now this is question number 12. In question number 12, divide 64 in two parts, so then one part is 3 times the other part. Okay. So first we will consider, let the first part be x, and second part, because it is given to you, one part is 3 times the other. So 3 times means 3x. So other second part or other part be 3x. Now according to question, divide 64 into two parts. So we will write first part plus second part equals 64. Okay. It is confusing why we are adding. So remember one thing. For example, divide 12 in two parts. Let the first part 7. Okay. And other part is 5. Clear? Now you can check 7 plus 5 is 12. So they are dividing in two parts, 7 and 5. It means this is the first part, this is second part, and after addition, this is the original number. That's why I am writing the sum of both numbers. So first part plus second part equals 64. Now what is the first part? First part is x plus second part 3x equals 64. So x plus 3x is 4x equals 64. Now x equals 64 upon 4. Divided 4 1 4, 4 6 24. Now x equals 16. So the first part is considered as x. So the first part is x. Okay. And second part is 3x. That's why 3 multiply by the value of x is 16. So 16 3s are 48. This is the answer. If you want to check your answer, it is correct or incorrect, then you can add it. 48 plus 16. So after addition, what is the sum? 6 and 8, 14, carry 1, 4 1 5 1 6, 64. So C 64. This is 64. It means our answer is correct. Clear?